Hi morning. 行着くれトロブサフミヨタカのコミュニケーショントレーナーバイリンガル YouTuber. Today also coming here. 行着おしきりシュライン。Okay. Today also I would like to inform you one important communication technique or a political matter or every so yeah, today I would like to pick up a political matter. Yeah, today's theme of Fumio Takano Human Power University's presentation. Today's matter is praising to Takaichi-sama's cabinet. Yeah. Takaichi-sama's cabinet has been started a couple of months ago, but there very nice result has been appeared. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, Takaichi-sama, Prime Minister, and number 2, Katayama Satsuki, Financial Minister, and number 3, number 3 lady, Onoda Kimi-san. Very nice 3 ladies. Of course, yeah, men's leader or Motegi financial Motegi, yeah, foreign minister. It's very nice. Okay. By changing ministry, cabinet, this country apparently changed compared to the former Prime Minister Kishida-san or Ishiba-san. To comparison to that former Prime Minister, yeah, Takaichi-sanae-san's and the former Prime Minister is moon and turtle. 月とスポンじゃないですか。Yeah, I strongly have the confidence on the ladies top leader in this country. So many women, potential, talented people, in this country, there are many talented women persons, so that such a ladies should be picked up to take a high post in this country. By doing that, this country become more stronger and stronger. Okay. To say about America and China, okay, today's say we Japan should cope with America. We should cope with China also. Because, in this time to see the SNS or some YouTube or so many antagonistic, claiming speech on the Chinese, mainly the Chinese Communist Party. But please consider, until now, this country, Japan, has been so much, China was so much contribution this country. By the existence of China, so much work has been contributed to this country and worldwide. Without China, Japan has not been so become a flourished country because a huge power, a human power has been poured into this country. So that as a nearer country, we Japan should cope with cope with China. That's a crucially important geopolitical matter. Nearly country should be having a good cooperation, so that I think the quarrel to the China should be wiping out in the near future by the effort of Takeuchi cabinet. Of course, having a good relation with America, United States, is very important. But to say about to say about Japan and the American security alliance. Yeah. On the base of Japan and America's security alliance, in this country, Japan, there are more than 100 base American weapons base, more than 100. Yeah, in addition to the as a base, it's totally 120 base from Hokkaido to Kyushu area. So that, it is said this country, Japan, is carrier, war carrier, 航空母艦 of America. In the near future, to keep the same situation is dangerous. Japan should have independently having the power of weapon. To stand up by our power, so that to strengthen the self-defense force or some armor scheme of atomic weapon is very important. Some key person are saying to share of atomic weapon, share of atomic weapon of America is very important, transient times. But in the future, it's my own idea. Japan should be armored by atomic weapons. By doing our own weapon, we cannot survive. Because to taking a look at the neighbor country, China and North Korea and Russia, they are strongly being armored by atomic bomb. If that country will give fearing, odokashi, what can I say, to Japan, we cannot be stand up without America's help. It is not a healthy situation. We, Japan, should be independent from America. In order that Japan should think of our own armored own such a strong weapon, atomic bomb, atomic nuclear armored. Such a matter should be considered the base of whole Japanese people. In order that Takeuchi cabinet will think of that. In order that whole Japanese population, Japanese people should think, should consider the possibilities, such a matter for the atomic bomb armored scheme. In Japanese, 思考停止, no consideration is most dangerous. Without thinking, we should be in a very bad situation to discuss whole Japanese people debating and debating in order to keep the best way in the future. That matter is very, very important. Okay, to see about Takaichi Sanae-san's cabinet, very nice cabinet. They have so much allowance to thinking every matter. So in this time, Takeuchi cabinet thinking of spy law, to develop on a spy law, anti-China's spy activity. Until now, so many bases in this country of China. China giving so much huge money to taking the land of this country. In the Hokkaido and very key area, so many land has been purchased by China. China, yeah, and until now there are so many, including of the Chinese people, yeah, around a million people has been, yeah, coming this country and taking a Japanese nationality. That's a serious, yeah, dangerous matter. We think of yeah, healthy style of immigration from China. Yeah, so that, yeah, Takeichi Sanae cabinet started to thinking of to making a spy, yeah, spy law, spy 防止法. That is very important in order to keep this country healthy. Yeah, okay. I strongly having confidence Takaichi Sanae cabinet to make this country, yeah, more healthy and flourish. Thank you very much today. Bye bye.